Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, our Jamaican queen is actually leaving Kenya. And, Jam Tours is actually, gonna take her to the airport. So, me and One Love Africa, we're there. One Love, subscribe to One Love Africa family.
One Love.
We're in a place called Kilimani
area.
Yeah, and we're gonna pick her, bring her to the airport family.
Imagine luxury apartment.
Yeah, imagine luxury apartment. So yeah, family, let's go. She all the way up on the 17th floor. So, we're gonna pick her and take her to the airport. And this is what it looks like outside, family. What it looks like outside. Outside Kilimani. On to the elevator, somebody night. Let's try that one there. Yeah, family, this is what I like. Yeah, family, so let's go. Up we go. No man, yes, she there. You never come yet.
Oh.
You never come yet.
Oh, you're the one receiving us? You're the one receiving us?
Yeah, family, so we're up at the 17th floor. Our Jamaican queen. She's ready to go on the plane.
How you guys doing? How's my brother doing?
We are good, we are good, we are good.
What's up? Yes, I'm leaving y'all.
Leaving us.
Yes.
So,
Well,
you say you should be at the airport by 2:45?
Yeah, I'm going to Qatar.
Qatar. All right, let's go then, Bridget. What are you having at this place tomorrow?
2:45. I'm going to go downstairs to pick up my jacket. Right across the street.
All right, let's sort these things out and get them in the car.
Yeah.
First. All right, where's here?
And that's my friend.
All right, hello.
Daphne.
Hey, Daphne.
Yeah.
Delphi?
No, let me call her Daphne.
Hi, Ramesh, Daphne.
Nice to meet you. That's
Yeah.
Ramesh right there. Those are my two brothers.
I'm Ricardo.
And this
Yeah.
one is my adopted son.
Who's your adopted son? Ricardo.
Yeah, I'm carrying. I walk with them hand.
So you're doing so much stuff?
That's it.
All right.
You're doing it?
I'm leaving these. Ramesh says he's going to store them for me.
Okay.
You have enough
So-
space, Ramesh?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't want to inconvenience.
No. We already planned.
She can take some by her house.
We already planned already with my wife. I
Okay,
think.
and these things in this bag, you can just put them in some hand sanitizer. and all
Yeah.
that
Okay.
stuff.
Cool.
So you can left them. I have them in two different countries.
Yeah.
I have a It's on.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah, family. So we're actually moving out, Bridget.
Yes.
So let's go. Jam Tours is here.
Now we gotta give them the site where Bridget leaving, eh? We gotta let them see where Bridget leaving at. All right. So guys, this is the view of Bridget condo, and she's leaving that. Oh, isn't that sad? Well, Nairobi, I am out of here, beloved. I am out of here. Yes. I'll see you soon, baby girl. I'll see you soon. Yes. Okay. Okay, Ramesh. Now, how do I carry this thing? Here. Hold this for me. Let me lock the door.
I am smart because if I was smart, I would be in Africa.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you get it. So that's what I'm going to do. When I land at the airport, I'm going to just buy an overall and walk up and down. I'm a camera.
Hey, you want to travel light, you don't want to have a lot of
I
things.
hate traveling with stuff. I
Yeah.
really do. So that's why I remember ship my stuff them like 3-4 days, a couple days before me arrive in May. And then, so when we come now, when I have to send the money, you have to look about the place for me. Okay, my brother?
Yeah, man.
And line up that so that way I have an address to ship my things in, right?
Yeah, it's a good thing that you actually see it already.
Yeah.
So you know where you're getting to, you know,
Yeah,
you know what to expect. Yeah, family, this is the view
And
from
then
Kilimani.
my sister, but I got my brothers with me.
Yeah, family, so we're there
Phone.
and Bridget in the car and She heading back to Babylon.
No, not yet. I'm going to Qatar first.
You're gonna stay in Qatar?
Yeah.
For how long?
For a few days. If I like it, I stay a week. If I like it, I just stay a few days.
Yeah, said to me.
Yeah, I've been to
Alright,
Dubai already,
hold
so
him
I
up and
just
see,
want
let me see
to
what
check
I
out
want.
places.
Get out of this place.
Turn right.
Where's that?
At the airport, I want to jump on the expressway. Let's see where it'll take me.
Think they're ready? Yeah, you done click point?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, click your JKI.
Yeah.
Turn right, right? That's
Yeah, turn right.
I'm a dress. You see my thing over by, right?
Yeah, you see the blue thing there.
Yeah. So you cover me. So you see what my
Qatar.
dress? So I have to stay dressed. Everything have to matchy.
everything have a matchy.
Yes, my star. I'm gain weight though. Oh gosh, man.
How much weight you get?
I think at 20 pounds. No, so I
fat
have to lose it. Somebody should have just dig me out so I could lose it.
Dig you out like how?
You know what you mean? You know like how?
Make you bust some
just-
sweat.
Yeah, but some sweat, you know?
Like how Killimani hat.
Right, I'm telling you. That's what me I talk about.
Sweat out.
But you have swimming pool and you have gym. You shouldn't be, you should be more active. Swimming pool and gym.
Yeah, I can't believe how me gained so much
She
weight.
she don't want a gym. She had a workout.
Thank you, yeah.
But you want Jim Carrey.
Just let me keep going, man.
Where's the Ricardo?
Correct. Alright. I hope on Gang Road.
Yeah, and then
Why never go slow?
Yeah, family, so we are JKIA and the rush. You have to come out and wait on whoever you bring in, and the other side they're coming from there. So I'm just here waiting for them family to come go through the security check, the first security check. So I'm just waiting on them family. So let's wait while we go take our Jamaican sister, taking her to the airport. So family, like, share and comment on this video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know when you're coming to Kenya. Let us know if you want Jam Tours to move you around and take you around. So we are out.
I look out for you guys.
Yeah man, look out.
Look out for you.
So you can find a wife with slogan.
Yeah, man, I look. No, I'm not. I remember I was living in the Philippines.
Oh, you was living in the Philippines?
Yeah, I used to live in the Philippines.
Okay.
The international woman.
How long you live in the Philippines for?
That time now, I come back in 2018. And then I come go back because of COVID. I COVID, you know, I'm like the Philippines, you know.
Yeah.
The chief? Yes, man. I think the black man.
Yeah?
They love themselves a black man.
Over the deal, you still look black man. Over the
Oh
guys.
gosh, yes, man. You guys go to the next.
Here.
The guys go there.
There's a Philippine in Canada. That's
They
it.
get royal treatment.
Royal treatment.
Philippine.
Yeah, the girls them. Yeah, the girls them. I must say, cause they never feel afraid.
Yeah.
And then look, they say, bring me back to some, you're American man. Bring me back in America man.
I reckon. Yeah, family. So we're at the airport with our Jamaican queen. She heading out.
Is this what it looked like here?
Where?
Oh, I didn't know.
That's 1B. You look, you're going to 1C.
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 Yeah.
So I think it's over on that side.
Oh.
Because this is A,
So
B, and that maybe it should be C. Yeah, A and B, C, B there.
So you park, wait, you park far then?
Yeah, I would say
always do that.
I would have to drive through. I can't park here.
Oh, you can't?
Yeah, I have to park it. Yeah, I will have to drive through and let you off.
Oh, really?
But if you're good, Bridget, we can.
Sure.
Yeah? No man.
Well, make sure we see it from a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can.
Security, though. Well, I want to go and come back down there. So.
It's G for us guy. Ask him your card.
Oh.
So 1C there, see there? Look straight.
Let me look
1C.
Hold on, let me look.
You see it? Come on, so. Look out there, so. Put on your eyeglass.
What's your glasses?
No man, look straight. Come here and point.
See that?
Yeah, 1C.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So Bridget, it over there, so.
Hold on, let me put on my necklace first.
Nice time. Good no man. That's what I said.
You can't see it. 1C.
I don't know if I really see that.
I see man.
I'm going for different things.
Car look.
See clock up on the side, right?
Yeah.
And this side up on the side.
Yeah.
I see, I'm going to see one.
I see them have 1C there, so two again. So 1C, so it's A, B, C.
Yeah, it's a 1C turn.
Yeah, so look Bridget. So this is A right here, so.
I'm now going to see
A, B,
Go walk
C.
Go walk here, so.
Yeah, let's walk here, so.
Let's
then.
walk here, so, Bridget.
Or we can walk here, so too, you know. Yes, so better. Yes, so. Yeah, yes. So. Yeah.
I won't be able to see it, maybe offline.
Yeah, family. So Jam Tours. So Bridget want the full service of Jam Tours.
Yes.
She want the sofa service,
Yeah.
and she want the Lamborghini pick up and drop off service at the airport.
Yes, there you go. And when I come back, I want the well tour, the full tour, Jam tour, you know?
Yeah, family. So you know what I mean. You see it for yourself. That when you come with Jam Tours, we take care of you for sure.
And we're busy and you're available to drop at the airport. That's right. And make sure we go on the plane. I'm safe. That's right.
Yeah,
Take
family.
care of your sisters.
Yeah.
Right. Love that.
So if you're in Jamaica, family, and you're looking to come to Kenya, you're on a budget, we have an apartment ready for you, set up. So when you come, you'll be able to actually, you know what I mean, relax and save some money.
Mommy's just want us to exercise. I mean, I understand they park all the way about this.
No, but where else could I park? That's the parking lot.
Oh, really? All the way there, so?
Yeah.
Why them back up, sir?
Let's come this side.
Oh.
Over here, so. Because I this side there.
The place better.
Yeah. I think all of the international travels is on this side. Yeah.
Can you imagine me that logo with suitcase, boy? No, sir.
A logo that they on the dance floor. So 1C the bridge. I think maybe that's where that's a departure.
Oh, I mean that.
Departure. Or walk around. If you walk. You can walk underneath it.
Now you can walk here.
Yeah, watch this start. Look upon them, man. What you call this job? Leaf of life.
Leaf of life, you know.
Leaf of life.
Yeah, water grass and stuff.
Yeah, leaf of life.
Hi.
Guys, it's an offense to go across this. So, international departure, 1C.
This way.
Yeah, Bridget, international departure, 1C.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, so it's an international departure.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah.
Shall walk across.
Yeah.
Okay. International departure.
Yeah. It's the first time I'm coming over this side, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
So where else do you go?
When I left Africa from I go Tanzania, I go Ghana, Zanzibar.
So travel on the continent, they don't call it international. Right?
Yeah, they don't call it international.
Okay, I get it. I see that now.
But I think this is the new terminal.
Ah,
The new terminal.
okay.
Let me see. So what you flying? Business class, first class, Bridget? You say you're bougie.
Yeah, me I fly it weird when I jump out of the plane.
No, Ricardo, on this side.
Yeah, I fly when I jump out of the plane.
One deep on this side.
Yeah, I think so.
Why me feel look like that? They just need lotion, man. I feel look dry. Yeah.
But it's a 1C.
On this
Going.
side is a 1B.
Well, look at what you say on this side.
Yeah, so maybe,
What if it's going up?
so Kaga, you have me walking a circle. Is either this or over there, so?
Alright, if it's about this, so let's go back this way then. No?
Yeah, and not this way.
Alright, let's go and ask. Alright. So, but the arrow say up. So maybe it's really this side.
So it's up.
Yeah.
And then walk one out here, at your foot here.
And you not fly.
Not like, that's the food we so
Yeah man, if you're not fly, you know what? You know
wanna sweat.
you know what?
Not like, it's not so like AC nothing.
I don't want direction. Let's ask these people right here.
Yeah, it might be.
Oh, I think it's this side, 1C.
See?
I think it's this 1C.
Alrighty then. Well, put on my necklace for me, please.
For your necklace.
Yes, I don't have
Bridget,
it on.
so hope you have a safe flight and hope to have you back in Kenya very soon.
I wonder where she put it.
You see what I'm saying?
Lose it.
Yes, I know. The man with the dog, I check and a lot of things. Alright, family. Bridget gonna finish up, get dressed yourself. And you know what I mean? While we head back to Nairobi. Wish her a safe flight. Like, share and subscribe. One Love Africa, Jam Tours
Bye-bye,
Africa.
everybody.
Yeah. The Queen of Jam Tours
That's right.
is out. So wish her all the best. Comment your thoughts below. We are out. Slogan, any last words?
No, come on, edit. Still there. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, alright.
All you can tell people is go and subscribe to One Love Africa.
Alright, family.
Subscribe to
Share the content.
Share the content. We are out. One love.